Okay, this is the chassis from a Stokke Trailz, and we just wanted to give a few tips on general maintenance. You're going to need two types of oil when you're working on oiling up the various mechanisms and so on. One is either WD-40 or a silicone spray, and the second is this food industry grease, which you're going to use in the front wheels. Do not use WD-40 or anything else in the front wheels because you need something a little thicker and stickier to produce a good layer to prevent wear to the front wheels. When the mechanisms that lock the front wheels wear down, you get like a wobbly wheel issue. This could also occur if the axles on the front wheels have become loose. So with WD-40 or silicone spray, you're going to want to spray here, and then you can collapse and open the telescopic mechanisms, and that is just going to oil down inside here and help the pegs that pop out and hold the telescopic mechanism in place. Another key area to oil with WD-40 or silicone spray is in the brakes, and you can extend and unextend the brakes so that the pin pulls the oil in. While you're there, a lot of times grit and dirt and stuff gets into this wheel well. You'll want to clean that up. Do the other side. And the last place that I feel it's generally crucial to use WD-40 in particular, because it's metal. Silicone spray is more when you have plastic, metal on plastic and so on. Put the stroller entirely upside down, and you'll see a little slit here with this metal piece sticking out, and you want to spray in there and then leave it upside down for a bit to soak in. If you notice that your stroller tends to squeak as the shock absorption works in the back, it's in here that needs oiling. Sometimes that can also occur with these plastic parts as they connect onto the metal stonks. So you can flip it on its side and get it around there, and then flip the other side and do the other side. When it comes to front wheels, and it is important to maintain them, as I said, you're going to want to use this food industry grease. I'm at the end of this pack, so I've sliced the side, otherwise you just squeeze it. Flip the stroller up, and then you can just take some of this, just get it all over the axle and this little metal plate, this washer at the bottom, nice and thick. Pop it in place and just give it a little bit of a spin. Do the other wheel. Pop it back in place, and just spin it a little bit. The last thing that's very important to do regularly on your stroller is to keep the wheels pumped, and these are not. I'm going to pump them up. When you have unpumped wheels, then the system is not tight, and it actually can do damage to the mechanisms where the wheels are held in place at other points on the chassis and so on. So you want to keep your wheels decently pumped. Don't use air compressor or anything that will make them explode. Just use a hand pump or something. Get them nice and hard. I don't worry so much about the PSI, but I believe it tends to say, if not on the outside of the tire, you can probably find it online, but so that it's hard. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.